In today's digital age, YouTube has become a powerful platform for generating income. One popular method is through cash cow YouTube channels. These channels typically feature engaging and repetitive content that appeals to a wide audience, often without showing the creator's face or voice. Hey there, content creators! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: turning your YouTube channel into a cash cow. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to explore some practical strategies to monetize your content and make money with your YouTube channel. Let's get started. What are cash cow YouTube channels? Cash cow YouTube channels focus on producing content that is specifically designed to generate ad revenue. They often utilize trending topics, popular music, and eye-catching visuals to attract viewers and keep them engaged. Before we jump into the money-making strategies, it's essential to have a solid foundation. Your content is the heart of your channel, so focus on creating valuable, engaging, and niche-specific videos that keep your audience coming back for more. A well-defined niche can help you stand out and attract a dedicated following. Research trending topics. Staying abreast of current trends is vital for content creators. Utilize tools like Google Trends to identify topics that are currently popular in searches. Observe social media platforms to understand what is trending among your target audience. Tailoring your content to reflect these trends can significantly enhance its discoverability and appeal. Develop a consistent style. Establishing a recognizable and cohesive style for your channel contributes to brand identity. This may involve consistent use of specific music, visuals, or editing techniques. A cohesive style not only makes your content visually appealing, but also fosters a sense of familiarity among your audience, making them more likely to recognize and engage with your videos. Optimize your videos. Optimizing your videos for search engines is crucial for reaching a wider audience. Incorporate relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to enhance search visibility. Craft clear and engaging descriptions that not only provide context, but also entice viewers to click on your content. Additionally, stay mindful of thumbnail design. It should be visually appealing and representative of your video's content to encourage clicks. By incorporating these optimization strategies, you increase the likelihood of your videos being discovered by a larger audience. Now, let's talk about the basics of monetizing your channel through YouTube's partner program. To be eligible, you'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once approved, you can start earning money through ad revenue, super chats, and channel memberships. Ensure your content complies with YouTube's policies to maintain eligibility. Diversify your revenue streams. While ad revenue serves as a significant income source for content creators, expanding your revenue streams can transform your channel into a robust financial powerhouse. Consider exploring various options such as affiliate marketing, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding. Not only do these avenues provide additional sources of income, but they also contribute to strengthening your relationship with both your audience and potential sponsors. Unlock the power of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing stands out as a game-changing strategy for cash cow channels. Choose products or services that align with your content niche, offering your audience genuine reviews or recommendations. Incorporate affiliate links in your video descriptions, creating a seamless way for your viewers to make purchases. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its mutually beneficial nature. As your audience engages with the suggested products or services, you earn a commission. It's a win-win scenario that not only adds to your revenue, but also enhances the value you provide to your audience. Leverage lucrative sponsorships. Sponsorships present another lucrative avenue for content creators. As your channel gains traction and establishes a dedicated audience, brands may express interest in collaborating with you. take the initiative to reach out to potential sponsors, or explore platforms such as influencer marketing networks that facilitate connections between content creators and brands seeking collaboration opportunities. Sponsored content not only adds a new stream of income, but also elevates your channel's credibility by associating it with reputable brands, fostering trust among your audience. And there you have it, aspiring cash cow creators. Turning your YouTube channel into a money-making machine is within your reach. Remember, consistency, quality content, and understanding your audience are key. Explore the various income streams we discussed and find the right mix that aligns with your content and audience. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on growing your online presence. Until next time, happy creating and happy earning.